All right, so I'm starting to feel bad for people who work on the weekends because that is the only time we're seeing any sun.
It seems like it, and you know what? I have some statistics to back that up, guys. Check it out. I'm calling it Sweet Saturdays. Look at some of these statistics. No rain reported on any Saturday during the entire month of April. Today's the last day, so this will be official now. Sundays in April only had a quarter of an inch, and that doesn't mean every Sunday we had a quarter inch. That means a total of a quarter inch in Sunday. This trend, well, it might be lasting all the way into at least the first week of May, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, through yesterday, if you're wondering how much rain we've had during the entire month of April, we had 2.65 inches for April. Do you think that's wetter or drier than average? Well, average April rain for PDX is just over 3.14 inches. So what does that mean? Well, it means that we're actually running a little bit of a deficit. That's only 84% of average with 1 day left. But on that 1 day, we'll see how much more we can eke out. Either way, nothing like that historically wet March we had. Radar right now, dry in Portland, dry in Lake Oswego, down toward, well, the western suburbs in Beaverton, toward Happy Valley. But as we zoom out a little bit, we do have some showers. And these are moderate showers. As you can see, some of the colors, the yellows and the oranges, those tell us that the rain showers are a little bit heavier along the Sunset Highway and points north, especially up toward places like Scappoose. We have another shower just to the southwest of Oregon City, and all this activity today is racing. I mean, these showers are cruising. So if you get caught in one, grab that umbrella, and you might need it for about 5 minutes. That's it, because they're moving so quickly from the west to the east. Not a lot of snow yet in the Cascades. Snow level's still at about 6,000 feet, but that is going to come down. In fact, we'll be talking about some of the ski resorts picking up possibly through Wednesday, maybe up to 6 more inches of snow. And wouldn't you know it, trying to see a couple of sun breaks. I was out not too long ago, and I happened to see one. 55 last check at the airport. Should be in the mid-60s, so granted, we're a little bit cooler than average. And the other story have been some breezes. Right now, south-southwest winds at 13 miles per hour. 53 downtown, 53 in Beaverton, 52 Gresham. Warm spots right now, west side, Hillsborough, for example, at 56. Tigard, you're also at 56 degrees. Along the coast, mainly in the low 50s, and the warm spot. Check it out. The Dow's already at 65 degrees. And as we check out what's going on in our pinpoint weather nets, 51 right now, Lake Oswego, 0.3 of an inch of rain for you, 0.2 of an inch of rain. Nice even numbers. That's at McCord's Vancouver Toyota. And just, well, that's not an even number, but 3,600s there at the Tolovana. And you can even see some of those puffy clouds behind those, a little bit of clearing. Today's rain so far across the metro, interestingly enough, Portland hasn't picked up measurable rain, so that might mean that this will be a drier than average month. But meanwhile, today, cool system moving in, so it is going to be rainy and breezy at times. And as we look offshore, we do see some signs of the next system coming this way. Cool air behind the front keeps us cool and wet for most of the week. But remember that trend I told you about weekends. See if we can eke one out for the first week of May. This is what it looks like 6 o'clock tonight. Maybe you're heading home. Maybe some scattered showers, and we'll also continue to see some scattered showers. I think less for the Tuesday morning commute, but look at the snow level start to come down. And then Tuesday at 1 o'clock, we get our next weather maker. So we have a series of systems pulling in, and there's some more accumulating snows by Tuesday night in the Cascades. Wednesday, I think the best day, at least the driest day, but then look what's offshore just in time for Thursday as we get our nenext weather maker. All right, today's highs at the coast, upper 40s to lower 50s, breezy and showery. Southwest winds about 15 to 30 miles per hour. In the Willamette Valley, mid to upper 50s, so that's going to be a good 5 to 7 degrees below average. Central and eastern Oregon, showers and breezy. West winds about 15 to 30 miles per hour. Into the Cascades, wet at times, snow level 6,000 feet, but that's going to drop to about 3,500 feet. And then we're looking at 50s, but 62 in the Dalles. You know what? You're already at 65, so obviously you've got some more sun breaks. As we go to the metro, wet at times and breezy. I don't think anyone here is going to eke out quite 60 degrees. Keep in mind the average high, 64. Tomorrow, cooler, some more sun and showers, 57. Mostly dry for Wednesday. Rain, a very good bet on Thursday. Few showers Friday, and right now I'm calling the weekend dry, which would make 5 in a row. Let's see if we can continue that trend for every weekend in May. We'll see.
All right.